have here Nestle non-fat milk for my fat husband. Non-fat siya guys kasi fat na siya. And then hello lovies! Our vlog for today was a trend a couple of years ago. So as a YouTube beginner, I am going to try this one. This is inspired by Alex Wasabi's vlog, What's in My Fridge. Alex Wasabi is a famous YouTuber with millions of subscribers. He is half Filipino, half American, and currently based in LA. Originally, he is from North Carolina. That is why one of our friends is his best friend. So for those who don't know, I've stayed in the US for 2 years, and when I was there, I stayed in North Carolina. That was 2018 when we had our vacation in LA. And nung panahon na yon, hindi namin kilala si Alex Wasabi. So, yung friend namin nagsabi na punta tayo sa bahay or sa apartment ni Alex Wasabi sa LA. So, sabi namin, sino si Alex Wasabi? Hindi talaga siya namin kilala guys. So, when we arrived there, tingnan namin sa internet kung sino si Alex Wasabi. And there, we saw na super sikat siya. And then that time also, I posted on my Facebook na currently I'm in Alex Wasabi's apartment. So, mga friends ko, nakilala siya, fan niya, nag-message sa akin na, oy, pa-fan sign, pa ganito, ganyan. So, we did fan sign. Talagang nagpa-fan sign kami kay Alex Wasabi. Like, sinulat namin yung names ng friend ko, ng friends ko. Then, hinawakan niya and take pictures. So, on that day, nung pagpunta namin, he was vlogging. So, guys, we did short appearance sa kanyang video. So, he went to the grocery store, and then sumama din kami. And, yun nga, I'll try to show
some of the strongest people I know to help me carry some groceries. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. So, I think we're doing great, guys. This is good. So much healthy. Is this healthy cookies?
yeah.
Yeah? I'm gonna trust you. It's not. Not. Is this how you're supposed to do this? No! He's making it up, but it looks...
Okay, so samahan niyo ako as we do our own version of what's in our fridge. Let's go, guys! Okay, guys, let's start now opening our fridge. Let's start with our freezer. Okay, so as we open the fridge, meron dito dalawang layer yung freezer door. So sa taas, meron tayong chocolates. We have Toblerone na milk, Dairy Milk, Cadbury, and Kit Kat. So I'm storing chocolates for my red days, and also if pag nag-crave lang ng chocolates, meron lang tayong kukunin sa fridge. So, meron kami sweet tooth ni Jake, but we are trying to minimize it and drink a lot of water, so that's fine. So, sa ilalim, meron tayo dito for breakfast. We have pork tocino, Virginia, Sideo Fantastic, chicken tocino, and we have bacon. So, I'm selling bacon, guys, for 60 pesos. Baka nag-crave kayo. So, yan. Okay, let's go sa ating freezer compartment. We have here French fries. And we have hot dog for breakfast also. And they're juicy, of course. That's our favorite. Kids can tell. Then, meron tayo ditong ice cream. As what I've said, meron kami sweet tooth. But that's okay. As long as you drink a lot of water, that's fine. So, we have here Cadbury, Dairy Milk, vanilla ice cream, and pistachio and cashew selecta. Super sarap nito, guys. But yung favorite ice cream ko is Ben & Jerry. And wala dito sa Bacolod. Sa S&R lang meron yan, sa Iloilo. But, baka soon may S&R na dito sa Bacolod. So, makakabili na tayo ng Ben & Jerry. So, yun. And dito sa ilalim, of course, pang-ulam, we have here chicken, fish, and pork. So guys, yung ating meat is nilalagay ko na siya sa plastic containers para, example, pag nagluto na, palabas na lang yung isang container at hindi na siya like buong
1 kilo yung papalabas mo at i-soak sa water. So ito, ilalabas mo na lang yung isang container and soak mo sa water. So every container is good for 1 cooking. This one example is pork chop, 2 hiwa ng pork chop. Even yung hotdog, nilagay ko na sa container. Then, meron din tayo dito chicken. Meron din tayo dito fish. Bangus yan. And yes, so chicken din. So at least, pag magluluto na ng for lunch or dinner, ipapababa ko na lang para ma-unfreeze siya. And hindi tayo matagalan. Diba? Okay, so, yun yung isang tip. Put your meat and fish and chicken in a plastic container. So, and then, meron tayo dito ice maker. So, I think that would be all for our freezer. Yan yung kanyang laman. And let's go, guys, to the lower part of our fridge. Okay, so dito, sa ating door, okay, makikita natin meron tayo ditong egg trays. Good siya for 1 dozen of eggs. Then meron tayo dito butter, dairy cream, and margarine. And meron tayo dito, my favorite, bagoong. Super sarap nito, guys. I bought this sa SM lang. Super sarap, as in, Barrio Fiesta bagoong. Ano siya, sweet siya. Lagyan mo lang ng kalamansi and so good. And then meron tayo dito ready mix sauce. Caldereta sauce, barbecue marinade, oyster sauce for our vegetable, and meat blends, and we have tomato sauce. Okay, and then meron din tayong pineapple tidbits and favorite namin, Nutriboost. Super sarap nito, guys, and healthy. You should try this one. Okay, and the next layer dito is meron tayo milk and juices and kids drinks. Okay, so let's start sa milk. Meron kayo ditong almond milk. So I bought this one kasi nakita ko siya, and nung nasa US, ito usually yung milk namin. Almond milk siya, so it's healthier kaysa sa cow's milk. But, hindi siya ganun kasarap, but healthier. So, that's fine. And then, meron tayo ditong 4 Seasons. Favorite din namin. And pineapple orange na Del Monte juice. Okay. And then, mahilig kami sa kids drink, guys. Meron tayong Chucky. And then, Dutch Mill. Strawberry. And Yogo. Diba? Sarap kaya ng mga kids drink. So, yan lang. So, guys, on this part, we have pizza and brazo de Mercedes from Red Ribbon. Half na lang yung natira. And then we have here Nestle non-fat milk for my fat husband. Non-fat siya, guys, kasi fat na siya. And then we have here Mogo Mogo. Lychee flavor with Natalie Coco. And next layer, meron tayo ditong Yakult. Nag-stock kami lagi ng Yakult, guys, kasi we read sa Facebook na this is good for dogs as dewormer. So, nasasarapan si Coco and we're glad at least meron na kami dewormer like twice a week. Binibigyan siya namin Yakult. And of course, Jake mahilig din sa Yakult. And then we have here yogurts. Nestle Strawberry, Nestle Melonata, Pascual Strawberry din, and Mango. Masarap din yung mango ng Nestle, but naubos na. So, we love yogurt for breakfast. And then, sa next layer, meron tayo dito soft drinks. Hindi kami pala inom ng soft drinks. Actually, more than 1 week na tong Royal, and hindi pa siya na half. And Kali Light for Jake, and kimchi, favorite niya din. So, my sister made this one. So, pag gusto niyo guys mag-order, just let me know. And dito sa baba, ang ating vegetable and fruits. Of course, we need to eat healthy para no COVID. Okay, so meron tayo dito lemon, grapes, and pear. And of course, apples, guava, kakainin natin to. This is for Mama Leonie. And oranges. And where you have here, potato, calamansi juice, or calamansi and ginger tea. Para boost our immune system. Good source of vitamin C. And then we have here mixed vegetable. Lutuin natin for lunch. We have okra, favorite ni Jake, and corn. Okay, so guys, yan lang yung laman ng ating fridge. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like and subscribe, and hope to see you on my next vlog. Thank you so much!